Hi everyone, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about the cubing function. So this is going to be the graph of x equals x cubed. So f takes in the input x and it just cubes that number. So again, we're going to try to draw the graph here. And so we're going to do this in red. So we need to know some typical points. So some typical points on this graph are 0, 0. So I'm going to get rid of that 1 there because it's in my way. The point 1, 1 is on there. And if you don't remember, 2 squared is 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up here. And then over on this side, we'll have negative 1, 1. Or excuse me, negative 1, negative 1. So let me give myself just a little bit more room. And then down here, let me see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will also have the point negative 2, negative 8, and it looks like this. Let's see. One more time. There we go. Then it'll even out here, and then just do that. Yeah, that's actually a pretty decent cubic function. So we need to know some properties of the cubing function. So notice here that, again, our domain is going to be all real numbers. And our range is going to be everything because, again, all real numbers, because we'll keep on going forever in this direction and we'll keep going on forever in that direction. Symmetry is odd. Again, this is easy to prove because if you let f of negative x, that's going to be negative x all cubed, which is negative 1 cubed x cubed, which is negative x cubed, which is negative of the function we are defining. So this is an odd function. Here, so we got this. And notice it says as x gets really large, our y values get really large. So the y values getting large is really obvious. So again, this says goes up and to the right. And then this end behavior, again, as x gets really small, the y values get really small, so this says it goes down and to the left. And then, get rid of this because it's a little visually disturbing. So now we think about increasing, decreasing, and constant. We'll go back to our person here. Our person is going to be standing, probably holding desperately on to life here because, this is so steep that they probably can't even stand on it. But if they try to move left or right, all they have is to go up, and they're like breathing a sigh of relief here because they can actually walk, and then they're going to have to grab on again and climb up this way more. So we're always increasing, we are never decreasing, and we're never constant. All right. So again, the important things you should know is the actual shape of the graph and all the points such as this. So pretty much everything in red is the important things that you need to know. And these features right here are things you should know and just going to pick up with time. But in terms of transformations, you need to know all this stuff in red on the graph here. Okay, we'll move on to the square root function. That will be next.